were supposed to do the easy route, and somehow we ended up here at the extreme Via Ferrata. How do you feel about it, Leehart?
I'm scared. I don't think we should do it.
Loen Active, this is the crew that we have going on today. Everybody here, we're going to be doing the Via Ferrata up, and then a bunch of us are flying down.
It's actually our world record paragliding flight in Norway.
Yeah, world record paragliding flight in Norway, here at Loen Skylift. Oh, save the water, it's very hot today. all right. Let's just introduce everybody. Who do we got here?
Yeah, we're talking.
I'm Leehart.
I'm Nick. I'm Sondra.
And I'm Jonas.
I'm Captain Manicorn.
Ladycorn.
And you take one, you flip it on, and this is the correct way to do it, we learned.
That's the correct way.
Thank God they had instructions on the wall.
Everybody, hey, it's time to wake up. Are we ready? Things are gonna shake up. Can you feel it? Feel it on the inside. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us now.
What do you think, buddy?
You don't have to think. You can't think. If you think, you get scared.
You've never been this far before.
Going this way, apparently. We were supposed to do the easy route, and somehow we ended up here at the extreme Via Ferrata. How do you feel about it, Leehart?
I'm scared. I don't think we should do it.
You don't really like heights, right?
No, I'm scared of heights.
That was really steep. I don't know.
But I mean, if you guys are gonna do it, I have to do it, right?
Pretty nice section of the Ragnarok. We got the gang behind. Leehart, you're looking strong, dude. Not a terrible view. I hear him. Holy shit! Wow! Oh, that was sick! Wow!
I can fucking high five you! I lost my glove.
Oh, it's good. Well, here we are.
I think we were maybe about at the top of the hard part. What did you guys think?
I think we're halfway up the hard part. Yeah.
We're only halfway?
Yep.
I hope not.
Toot someone up. Only halfway.
Only halfway. Yeah, so well, actually, I think the coolest part was while we were here, one of the wingsuiters was texting Jamie. Jamie told him exactly where we were, and he actually did a flyby. I mean, he must have been like 5 feet, almost like 2 meters off from us, like ridiculously close. That was probably the best part of the whole thing.
Hello world, wake me up to another good morning, time to go.
Woohoo! And if we do the bridge, it's gonna be a big
face, there's excitement in the chase, this I know. Yeah, I'm going for the ride, and by myself I am alive, and I soar. Still I run towards the wind, and let the challenge go.
Out of breath.
Why are you so out of breath?
We just like ran up the last section after the bridge. We made it. Loen Active Via Ferrata.
First one ever.
First one ever. Now we're gonna go set the world record in Norway for paragliding. We still gotta go a little bit of ways.
And now, like we said, we got to the top. We're gonna set up, and we're gonna do our world record setting paraglider flights for here in Norway. In Loen, Via Ferrata, and fly.
Welcome to Norway! World record paragliding flights! We did the Via Ferrata. We're out here at Loen Active. Big shout out to them for the collaboration, making all this happen. Dreams coming true. No place on earth like Loen. This place is truly one-of-a-kind magic. I'm so freaking excited to be able to set our world record here. Oh my God, and to have their support, this has been a dream come true. Altitude. Oh, come on, baby. Kill some altitude. Kill it. Kill some altitude. Keep killing it. Kill it. Oh, swoop it in, baby. Oh, shit. Hands up. Hands up. Oh, swoop. Swoop. Hands up, lean forward, jump forward. Yeah! Yeah!
Did it.
We did it. Yeah, you're good.
I think I'm wearing a helmet.
Yeah, you're good. Good job, you did it.
Oh, that was lovely.
It was lovely, wasn't it? So beautiful.
Via Ferrata and fly, world record.
Norway.
Loen,
Luan, thank you. Thank you, Luan, for the support.
making
Wow.
this happen.
Thank you, Leon, for being rad. Woo!
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Remember, you can help us set a world record and fly a parachute in every country of the world by hitting the like button, subscribing, and turning on notifications.
And also, if you like free stuff, we work with brands and are always giving away freebies. You can click here to enter.
See you in the next episode.
Living free, and I was meant to be free, meant to be free.